Hey guys, welcome to the Corona Crafting Corner. I'm Cam.
And I'm Jared.
And today we're going to be making some fun crafts for you to do while you're stuck at home. Okay, so our first craft is this rocket shooter toy thing, and it'll be a fun game to play with your friends. What you'll need is some paper, some tape, 2 types of straws or 1 straw, and some more paper and markers or whatever else you have for decorating. Okay, so to make our rocket, first thing we're going to need is a piece of paper, not too big, just a little one, or actually you could make it big, whatever size you want your rocket to be. So what you're going to do is you're going to fold it in half, like that, and then you're going to draw your rocket pattern, half of it, so on the front side. So you can do something like this, or you can do whatever you want. Just draw your rocket pattern, add some fins for fun, and then you're going to go ahead and cut that out with both sides so it's even on both sides. Alright, so now we have our rocket. We are going to take our paper straw or wider straw, whichever one. If you don't have 2 types of straws, what you can do is take a piece of paper and wrap it around your smaller straw and then put a little piece of tape on top, and that'll act as the same sort of thing. So then you get your paper straw, you're going to cut off a piece just like that, about that size. Probably about like 2 inches or 1.5 inches, and you're going to get a piece of tape and you're going to put it over top of one of the holes, just like that, making sure it's sealed nice and tight, like that. Sweet. And then I'm going to get another piece of tape, and we're going to put the paper inside or outside onto the back of our rocket and secure it like that. And that's pretty much it. After that, you can decorate it however you want, put some drawings like this one, and then you get your inside straw, slide it into there, and then you blow it at your friends.
We're gonna make a phone stand out of our toilet paper rolls. Hopefully you all got them before they all left the stores, because stupid virus for some reason took our toilet paper too. What you're gonna need is just a toilet paper roll, empty one, and then some markers to decorate and some tacks and scissors. Okay, so first you're gonna wanna pull out your phone and line up and just, draw. You're gonna have to guess test a bit, but it's not that hard. So you just put it beside it, and then you're gonna grab your marker and you're gonna draw a line, and then you're gonna guess the width of it. That's it. Can't speak today. And then you're gonna cut it out. It's not really a good line, but there's the line, folks. Okay. Now you just start cutting it out. And you get something that looks like that. And then you want to make sure your phone fits in it, like that. Then you're going to want to get your tacks out. And you just need 4. And you're going to start placing them at an angle on each side of the roll. The back one wants to be a little bit further up so you can balance. And then you want to put your phone in there. Just like that. And you're going to want to decorate it at the end. So you're we're gonna decorate. And there we go.
Awesome. Thanks for joining us, guys. We hope you have fun with these crafts. Make sure you smash that like button. And subscribe for more Refuge content. Woo!